There's a new catalyst right now unfolding for crypto and for Bitcoin. And one particular trader who perfectly called the crypto bottom, at least the most recent crypto bottom, he also is saying the same thing. There's a new catalyst forming right now in the cryptocurrency space. And I want to talk about that in this video because when we look at the macro background that we have here, right? Yes, we're dealing with inflation. Yes, we're dealing with recession fears. Yes, we're dealing with an economy that's not necessarily booming. However, people are losing faith in the banks. And that faith that's being destroyed right now has a bunch of people thinking that we may be in store for something like 2008 style bank collapse again. Of course, this was pre-Bitcoin, 2008. Now, I'm not necessarily in that group that think we're going to go and have another 2008. I don't think it's good, but I don't think it's that bad. I think it's somewhere in the middle, but it doesn't change the catalyst that's forming right now for Bitcoin and for crypto. I think we're going to get a ton of government interventions as we did, back then in 2008. And I think it's really, really bullish for crypto. It's basically what Bitcoin was made for. Bitcoin was born through the anger of 2008. It was made 2 years after. Satoshi was very, very angry at how everything was playing out back then. And that's why Bitcoin was created. And having the same thing happen again right now, fundamentally, is bullish. Bullish, right? And these bank runs that we're seeing obviously have a short-term negative impact on the crypto market. But what we've seen here over the past week, Bitcoin's up 35%. It came from 19,000, just touched 27,000. All of this time frame is when the banks have been collapsing. So what does that tell us? That tells us that people are shifting. People are moving their money into Bitcoin rather than holding it in a bank. Let's just face it. When your money is sitting in a bank, because of inflation, you are losing value. Now, I know the other side of that argument, right? Well, Zach, you can lose tons of more money way faster putting it in Bitcoin. You only lose when you sell, right? So this is pretty interesting. I think it's very bullish for crypto long-term here. And best case scenario, we don't get any banking fallout. We just get a bunch of government stepping in, protecting what needs to be protected, and people still see that Bitcoin is the answer, right? We'll see how this plays out, but I do think it's bullish for crypto. Let me know what you guys think about it all down below. Appreciate you guys. Take care, everybody. We'll see you.